Hello everyone, I am Pratisha. I've come back here again. Today I have made a new recipe called Potato Chapati. You can make in your home. It is very delicious. You can make in your home. It is very tasty and smells delicious. It is very tasty. I have eaten many times and I have made in my home.
Aloo Paratha, or potato chapati, is a simple and famous dish, which is cooked in every household in India. To prepare this dish, we need two main ingredients, which are whole wheat flour and potatoes, and can add any other ingredients like chili, spice, coriander leaves, etc., for added taste. At first, dough is prepared from whole wheat flour. While preparing this dough, little amount of salt, cooking oil, and water is added. After a dough is prepared, boil the potatoes and mash the potatoes. The taste of the dish will depend on the preparation of the potatoes, so we have to prepare the potato properly to give a superb spicy taste to the dish. With the mashed potatoes, I am adding onion, ginger, chili powder, dhania powder, and coriander leaves for a spicy hot crispy taste. The spiced smashed potatoes are now stuffed in a rolled dough and flattened using a wooden roller. smashed potatoes are now mixed properly with the dough and ready to be fried. Now heating the cooking oil and cooking it for a few minutes and flipping it over again and again till it turns brownish in color. Repeat it for all the dough and serve it hot.
Hope you like this video. Bye.